Can I ask you multiple questions? Are we in love?
Yes.
I just love you for your tiny nips. I've wanted to take a break from doing adult content. Needed to take a break from it because it just felt like a chore. And I don't want it to be a chore, especially when it's so intimate and personal and really I'm putting myself in a lot of myself out there for people to see. But I'm excited to do more stuff with the Peace Palace. Should I talk about it? Basically, we're trying to run events that are arts, funding the arts, and something that isn't reliant on the alcohol industry in order to fund it. The first one we did, the first supper, was freaking amazing. It was so beautiful. Our friends, Six of the Sun, played while we did live drawing, and myself and Zoe were models.
I'm a tree that burns with hard pleasure. A single sweetness possesses me, complicity with the world. I love my cross, which I painfully carry. It is the least I can make of my life, accept commiserably the sacrifice of the night. The strangeness takes me. I love when the button gets in its place.
I love it though, that was freaking well filmed.
Right? Stunning.
I'm more indulgent.
Let's have a look. I got one stick kind of on fire.
Turn this shit up. Yeah. Finish this DIY right now to get pretty shocked, I feel.
DIY.
I reckon these mushrooms are gonna be amazing. This lighting is not good. I'm in the bathroom right now. Now I don't know what to say. It's not easy to exist on the internet as an X-rated content creator. I don't know what I can say on here. It does affect me. It does. My scarf. On a positive note, I'm having a really good time having a break. Even though I never really intended to have a break and it doesn't feel like I'm having a break, it's a nice break. Camcorder inception. The fit. Can't see the bottom half.
Wax is okay.
We need more smokers over here. Greens premix orange coffee.
Ooh! Tell me how your night's been so far.
I enjoyed myself. We went to the park, we drank some wine. It's good. No, I was discussing soda because I feel like sophisticated when I drink Scotch and soda.
You are sophisticated.
No, I'm not. But when I drink Scotch and soda, I am.
Yeah, good. Just saw Fast Johnny and the Slow Burners. Quite good.
vision? Does it do night vision?
Yeah, it does night vision. Oh, let me catch up. Can't see anything.
Good morning.
Okay.
I truly believe you do have to look the sun in the eye and responsibility for your health.
I agree. Little Pixar short and there's like two volcanoes and they love each other but they can't see each other.
It's like, I better pull over on the side of the road and say something. Sometimes it's just good to live your life and kind of go off the radar and not do your job. Do things that feed my creativity a bit more right now. You know, life feels like it's going so slow and so fast at the same time. I really hope that everything aligns. I really do. Because I deserve it. I've worked too goddamn hard and sacrificed too much of myself and put too much of myself out there for me to not.
All idiots feel secure. In fact, only idiots feel secure. A really alive man will always feel insecure. What security can there be?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. 3-foot pick. Bono, but this is amazing chocolate. I am slow cooking beef ribs. Beef short ribs, that's what I'm making. Out here, no.